Father Zayed was not just an inspiration for citizens of United Arab Emirates, but a ray of light and hope towards a diverse economy and the success of the nation. From a struggling survival through pearl trading to playing the central role with heavily reliant revenues from oil and natural gas, United Arab Emirates has been bolder with a successful and diverse economy. And the leaders of the nation honor Father Zayed, whose vision is what we know as United Arab Emirates. There are various legacies and memorials in UAE and world that symbolize the passion of Father Zayed for the country and his people, such as Zayed University, a government-sponsored higher education institute with campuses based in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. E11 or Sheikh Zayed Road, which is the longest road in the Emirates, stretching from Al Sila in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, ending in Ras Al Khaimah. The year 2018 was called Year of Zayed during the Dubai Light Show to celebrate 100 years since his birth. In 2018, a year dedicated in the UAE to celebrate Zayed's life and legacy, the Founders Memorial was opened in Abu Dhabi. The memorial consists of an open heritage garden and sanctuary garden, at the center of which is a cubic pavilion housing the constellation and artwork dedicated to Zayed's memory. Sheikh Zayed University, located in Khost, southeastern Afghanistan, was built by the aid of Father Zayed. Zayed International Prize for the Environment and Zayed Future Energy Prize is named in his honor. Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan Mosque, also known as Stockholm Mosque in Stockholm, Sweden, is built in his honor. Hafiz School in Gurdames, Chechen Republic, is named in the Sheikh's honor. The Sheikh Zayed International Airport, Kukis, in the northern city of Kukis, Albania, was named after him. Sheikh Zayed City in Greater Cairo, Egypt, was built depending on a donation from Abu Dhabi Fund for Development on direction of Sheikh Zayed. Sheikh Zayed International Airport, Rahim Yar Khan, along with Sheikh Zayed Medical College and Hospital located in Rahim Yar Khan, Punjab, Pakistan, is named in his honor. A lecture theatre was named in his honor at the London School of Economics. The Zayed town, located in central Bahrain, was financed by Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan and named in his honor. The first phase of this township project was inaugurated in 2001. The Sheikh Zayed Arab Falconry Heritage Wing at the World Center of Birds of Prey in Boise, Idaho, was set up through a donation from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, son of Sheikh Zayed. A street in Montenegro was named for his memory in 2013. The Sheikh Zayed Tower at the Johns Hopkins Hospital is named in his honor. The 5th Ring Road in Kuwait is now named in the honor of Sheikh Zayed. United Arab Emirates and many other countries honor the solidarity and the kindness of the leader. After all, UAE and the world in general was blessed by his teachings and his philosophy. On his 102nd birth anniversary, we wish harmony and success to the United Arab Emirates.